1. Hook. Imagine launching a startup and watching it soar, only to see it crash because of one bad architecture decision. 2. The real problem in the fast-paced world of startups: every decision counts. You're often pushed to choose between speed and quality. The regret? It lingers longer than the initial excitement of a launch. 3. The simple explanation: architecture decisions shape your entire system. They affect scalability, performance, and maintainability. But what does that mean for you? Scalability: can your system handle growth? Performance: does it respond quickly to user requests? Maintainability: is it easy to update or fix? Choosing the right architecture is about balancing these elements. A poor choice will haunt you during peak traffic or when you need to add new features. 4. Real-world example. Let's dive into a real-world incident. I was part of a startup developing a photo-sharing app. We chose a monolithic architecture. At first, it seemed to work. Our initial user base was small, about 500 users. We were able to deploy quickly and keep things simple. However, as we grew to 5,000 users in just a couple of months, performance issues emerged. Our app started to lag during peak hours, with load times exceeding 10 seconds. Users began to complain. We realized our database queries were inefficient. Every time a user uploaded a photo, the entire app had to reload. Our system couldn't scale. We faced a tough choice: spend weeks refactoring to a microservices architecture or risk losing customers. Ultimately, we had to pivot. We spent 3 months migrating to microservices, costing us thousands in lost revenue and development time. That's the weight of a poor architecture decision. 5. What to do instead. So, how do you avoid this pitfall? Here's a step-by-step framework. 1. Assess your needs, determine your user base size. If you expect more than 1,000 users initially, consider scalability. Define core features that need to be built first. Keep it simple. 2. Choose the right architecture. For most startups, microservices are ideal if you expect rapid growth. Alternatively, if you're building an MVP for fewer than 1,000 users, a monolithic approach may work. 3. Plan for scalability. Use cloud services like AWS or Azure that allow you to scale easily. Set up auto-scaling groups that can handle sudden traffic spikes. 4. Implement efficient data management. Choose the right database. Use NoSQL for unstructured data or SQL for structured. Optimize your queries early. Test them under load to see how they perform. 5. Monitor and iterate. Use tools like New Relic or Datadog to monitor performance. Set thresholds for acceptable load times, ideally under 2 seconds. Regularly review your architecture as you grow. 6. Common mistakes. Let's look at some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Ignoring scalability. Choosing a short-term solution without considering future growth. Always plan for at least double your expected initial user base. 2. Overcomplicating early. Jumping into a complex architecture too soon. Start simple. Build a monolith if you're unsure, but keep it modular. 3. Neglecting performance testing. Skipping load testing before launch. Use tools like JMeter to simulate traffic before going live. 4. Poor database choices. Using the wrong type of database for your data. Analyze your data structure and choose accordingly. Don't mix SQL and NoSQL without a plan. 5. Failure to monitor. Not having monitoring tools in place. Set up monitoring from day 1. Know your app's health before it's too late. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to ensure you're on the right path. Assess user base and growth potential. Choose an architecture that aligns with your goals. Plan for scalability. Cloud services can help. Optimize database queries from the start. Monitor performance continuously. 8. Summary plus CTA. Making the right architecture decision can save you time, money, and headaches. Remember, it's about balancing speed with long-term viability. Review your architecture choices regularly and don't shy away from making adjustments. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, Start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.